The ocean is deep. Space is high. But you have no idea how wrong your mental picture of both actually is. Let's start by going down. 10 feet underwater. You're fine. Kids do this in pools. 60 feet. Recreational scuba limit. Sunlight still everywhere. You can see your hands. 200 feet. Light starts to fade. Colors disappear. Red is the first to go. Below this line, the twilight zone begins, and it only gets worse. 660 feet. Navy submarine crush depth for older models. Most humans will never go this deep in their lifetime. 1,000 feet. Pitch black. Permanent darkness. The only light down here comes from creatures that make their own. Jellyfish, anglerfish, things that don't look like they belong on this planet. 3,300 feet. You've now entered the midnight zone. No sunlight has touched this water in millions of years. 12,500 feet. The Titanic sits here. That feels deep. It's not even halfway. Now stop and think about that for a second. The most famous shipwreck in history, and the ocean just shrugs. 36,000 feet. Challenger Deep, the absolute bottom. Pressure here is over 1,000 atmospheres, 16,000 pounds per square inch. Your lungs would collapse before your brain even registered what happened. 12 people have walked on the moon. Only 3 have ever been here. We have better maps of Mars than we do of our own ocean floor. Now let's go up. 35,000 feet. That's where your commercial flight cruises. Feels high. You've looked out that window, but you're not even close to space. 62 miles up. The Kármán Line, where Earth ends and space officially begins. There's no dramatic boundary, no wall, no gate. The air just quietly stops being enough. 250 miles. The International Space Station, orbiting at 17,000 miles an hour. Astronauts up here see 16 sunrises every single day. 340 miles. Hubble Space Telescope, floating in silence, photographing galaxies 13 billion light-years away. And here's the part that should unsettle you. The deepest point in the ocean, 36,000 feet, is about 7 miles. Space begins at 62 miles. The entire ocean, all of it, from surface to absolute bottom, fits inside the distance between you and space almost 9 times. 7 miles down broke every machine we sent. 62 miles up, we built a highway. We chose the direction that felt bigger and ignored the one that's still mostly unknown. 95% of the ocean floor remains unmapped. We looked up because it was inspiring. We stopped looking down because it was terrifying.